He stepped aboard a spacecraft experts quietly called a death trap, yet the launch went ahead. Soyuz 1 carried a national hero, while behind the scenes, engineers feared for his life. Why ignore so many warnings? Mission Control sat frozen, waiting for word. Vladimir Komarov, Russia's most trusted cosmonaut, volunteered for a mission others dreaded. Success meant glory, but failure meant disaster. No one dared say what everyone was thinking. Official documents surfaced later, showing how Soyuz 1 was rushed to launch with 203 open design bugs. Engineers flagged critical problems, but their voices trailed off into bureaucratic darkness. What flaws stayed buried? Komarov reportedly told friends he expected to die, yet took the flight to shield Yuri Gagarin from the assignment. Bravery or sacrifice? Either way, Komarov went forward, aware this risk was more personal than political. Unmanned Soyuz prototypes crashed, but officials declared the spacecraft flight-ready anyway. The pattern? Flaws hidden, tests denied, warnings redacted. Suddenly, the tone shifted. Success was announced, but reality would soon intrude. Minutes after reaching orbit, Komarov radioed back. One crucial solar panel failed to deploy, blocking power and guidance. Communications began glitching. The lifeline split in real time, but what else was waiting to fail? With no manual repair possible, Mission Control pushed risky remote override commands, gambling to stabilize the crippled craft. Each new instruction raised the pressure. In the race against chaos, could ground control save Komarov? Desperate recoveries failed. Backup systems wouldn't respond. Circuits fizzled and died. The pattern changed again. Instead of hope, every system ignored Komarov's commands. Machines locked him out, setting the final tragedy in motion. Komarov's last transmissions were calm, urgent, exhausted, fighting for control as Soviet media rejoiced, declaring mission success. Out in the world, citizens cheered as disaster unfolded in silence above their heads. After circuits glitched and hours passed, controllers triggered deorbit procedures. Anxiety spiked. Could Komarov thread the needle for a heat-seared miracle landing? Hope burned, even as every system seemed against him. Against all odds, it seemed to work. A radio crackled. Parachute deployed visibly on schedule. Rescue teams sprang to action, engine roars echoing. For one electrifying instant, everyone believed survival was possible. Disaster struck. Secondary parachute tangled with the main, a hidden manufacturing error preventing crucial slowdown. Instead of a gentle descent, Soyuz 1 became a runaway projectile, gravity ripping away Komarov's last hope. The Earth struck like a hammer at 150 kilometers per hour. No hope of survival. By the time rescue crews reached the scene, they found only smoking metal and silence where Komarov's story should have continued. Soviet officials raced to suppress details, but outside monitoring stations intercepted the tragedy. Slowly, the truth leaked. The world's most advanced space nation had lost its hero to preventable mistakes. Analysis later revealed why the risk was allowed. Officials pushed the launch to claim a victory on Lenin's birthday. Did one man's life really hinge on a calendar, or was something deeper at play? We know now. Engineers wrote crisis letters all the way to Premier Brezhnev before launch. Warnings were read, dismissed, and deleted. Soyuz 1's doom wasn't just technical, it was a tragedy embedded in silence. The investigation forced a revolution. Never again would shortcuts overpower safety. Space agencies worldwide rewrote design and testing protocols to break the cycle. Komarov's loss set a standard no one could ignore. NASA and rivals re-engineered their own risk assessments after Soyuz 1. Every astronaut launch, from Houston to Moscow, today echoes with Komarov's silent legacy. No checklist skipped, no shortcut overlooked again. Spaceflight is never routine. Each liftoff depends on brutal honesty. One missed detail still means disaster. Today's astronauts owe their lives to questions asked after the Soyuz 1 crash. The lesson? Always check, always challenge. Now you know why every space launch is a tribute to lessons written in both triumph and loss. You now understand something most science textbooks leave out. Hit subscribe. The next discovery is already waiting.